Today on The Stay-at-Home Chef, I'm showing you how to bake salmon. Baking is one of the easiest foolproof methods for cooking salmon. I have several different baked salmon recipes on my website and they've always been super popular with you guys. So popular, in fact, that I've included 4 of them in my new cookbook, The Stay-at-Home Chef Family Favorites. In this video, I'll be demonstrating how to bake salmon using a whole fillet, using my most popular salmon marinade, which is orange soy based. In my cookbook and on my website, you can find 3 other flavor options, including lemon garlic, chili lime, and garlic dill. It's worth noting that this same method also works with salmon portions as well. Just like with any fish, when working with salmon, you'll want to run your fingers over the fish and feel for any bones that may have been missed. This one was pretty good. I just fished out the 1 bone. Next, I'm going to lay my fish into a shallow dish like a 9x13 pan for marinating, but if you're not marinating, you just skip to seasoning, of course. For the marinade, you'll need ½ cup of soy sauce, a cup of honey, which you can always microwave to thin out to make it easier to pour and mix. You'll also need 4 cloves of minced garlic, 1 teaspoon ground ginger, and a teaspoon of red pepper flakes to add a little kick. Add in a cup of freshly squeezed orange juice, or you can use the bottle kind, it doesn't actually matter, and whisk this together. Then we just pour this over the top of our salmon. We're going to let this marinate in the fridge for 30 minutes. Sometime after the halfway point in marinating, you'll want to preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit and line a baking sheet with aluminum foil. Place your salmon fillet or portions right down there in the center. And if you want a pretty effect, you can add thinly sliced oranges on top. I don't necessarily do this when it's just for my family, but definitely for guests. Pull up the sides of the aluminum foil and loosely wrap them around the fillet and close it up top to help trap the steam and moisture in. What I love most about this dish is that that's it. This is ready for the oven. You want to bake this in the 375-degree oven for 15 to 20 minutes. You know salmon is done cooking when it flakes easily with a fork. Super easy, super tasty, super versatile, and if you want to add a little pop of color, sprinkle on some freshly chopped parsley. Thanks for watching. Be sure to visit my website, thestayatHomeChef.com, for more tips and tricks, and get my cookbook, which has this recipe in it, and there is a QR code for every recipe that takes you to a video demonstration just like this one.